Good evening, friends. Today I will discuss CNC programming, and today our topic is turning operation. And here in this video, I will discuss G71 cycle and G70 cycle that is somehow related to turning operation. So, suppose we have a raw material of 80 diameter, and this is our final product after CNC machining. Then we have to do machining process in CNC machine. Then we have to make program. So let's start the program. How to make a program? Let's discuss the drawing at first. Suppose it is a 80 diameter and we have to cut it in this profile. So the drawing is very important. Minimum die is 50 Here is a chamfer. It's 0.8 and 45 degree chamfer angle and 4.8 chamfer. After that there is a turning operation for 20 After that there is an angle of 60 degree taper turning. After that the maximum die at 60 So let's start it. On CNC monitor or screen, how will you start the program? So the before start the program we have to use the codes. Suppose before writing any kind of program we have to start with the O. After that you have to give the program number. Suppose the program is 1 2 3 and end of it we have to give end of block. For Siemens, for for Fanuc it is it Fanuc controller machine, and for Siemens we will use this code. Okay, for Siemens controller we will this after the finish of a block, and for Fanuc we will this end of block. Okay, so we will discuss on the basis of Fanuc controller. So we have given the program number 123. We all know in the turret the holders which are in a home position. So home position will be denoted by G28 U 0.0 W 0.0. That is represented by this. Whatever you will use your tools, it may be OD holder or ID holder, that will be in home position. Home position is denoted by this. Okay, and the tool whatever you will use, that is suppose you are using the tool, that is tool number 1 and option number 1. So it is tool, 01 represent tools and 01 represent offset. Okay, so let's come to make program. That is a basic for writing any kind of program. And another thing, that is a n represents the sequence number of program. Okay, suppose we have to make this profile and that is our raw material. So whatever the program number 1 2 3 enter block. Suppose we will cut it by a OD holder, that is a OD holder, and that is tool number 1, and we will use the offset 01. So we will use this tool, and before this we have to give the sequence number. It is very important to start any kind of program, that is N1, that is sequence number. After that what will you do? The space will be very thin or little, so I will start from here, that is O 1 2 3 enter block, sequence number N1. The turret is in home position, we will denote it by this 0.0 and W 0.0. Okay, suppose we will use the tool T01, tool number 1 and option number 1. I have discussed it. Suppose the tool should be come from home position to required position. G0. G0 represents rapid tool travels. Rapid tool travel. Okay, suppose we have to take the tool from home position to job this position. So this position will be denoted by, suppose this position, the position is, it is a x-axis and that is a y-axis. Suppose this position is x 80.0 as the raw material is 80, and the z position from the job is 2.0. If we do it 0, then it will directly plunge to the job and the tool become corrupt or damages takes place of the tools takes place. Okay, after that we will write G0 z 0.0. now the tool from here to here, it will come at the face of this 0.0. after that we will use the main codes which are used here, that is G71 cycle. So let's start it. What is the nomenclature of it? G71, that is a nomenclature. G71 U 0.0 or 0.0, the value will be written here. G71 P 00 Q 00 U 00 W 0.2. At first I will write the program, after that I will discuss it. Okay, G71 U 2. Whatever we will give, I will give a 1.0 and R is 0.8. Enter block G71, that is D71 and P 20. So what will you write? P20 Q 40 U 0.2 W 0.0 and feet 0.2. So what is the criteria of this kind of codes are used? G71, that will be used for turning operation. U is a depth of cut. What is U? U is a depth of cut. Suppose we have given the cut of 1 millimeter, then CNC what will cut? CNC will cut 2 millimeter. Suppose the raw material diameter 80, then after giving the depth of cut, what will be the value of first cut? That will be 80 minus 2, that will be 78 millimeter. After the cutting of value of raw material, it will be 78 millimeter. Okay, and R, what is the what does it represent? The value of R, that is a retraction amount after the cutting. Suppose it is your holder, it will cut it, and after the cutting of material, it will retract means it will move downward. After the cutting, the amount is 0.8. suppose you will cut it this, after that it will move this way. I mean to say that will move taper from this position to this position, and that the value will be 0.8. okay, P20, it is a starting of a program, and Q, it is a finishing of the cycle. It will start from this and it will finish by this. What is U 0.2? That is a material which will be used for cutting finish cycle. The finish cycle will be represented by G70 cycles. The 0.2 material will be cut by finish path. W 0.0 means we will not take place any kind of material for finishing, and feed point to the feed, whatever feed we will use, it will help the job to cut it. Okay, then we will write the sequence in 20. The starting value of it, what is the starting value of it? There is a given 0.8 chamfer. So what is the value of the starting value of this? Simply we have to calculate 50 minus 0.8 from two sides. What is upper? From the upper side we will subtract 0.8 and lower side we will subtract 0.8. What is the value? 48.4. After subtract 50 minus 0.8 into 2, what is the value? 48.4. right? The value is 48.4 is the starting value. Okay, so x will start from x 48.4 is the finish. The point is this 48.4. okay, end of block. But we have to give the codes, that is G1. G1 means linear interpolation. It will be used for cutting purpose. Okay, so after writing this G1, and what is the value of x? That is 48.4, end of block. Okay, after that we will give the value of z, that will be 0.0. okay, after giving this, what will you do? We will start it the chamfer. Okay, so how will you give it? G1. Here I will giving a star marks because I will discuss it later after the finishing of program. Okay, G1 here, and the starting point is this. Actually this is the starting point of create any kind of chamfer of this profile. So we will write here, what is the angle of this? 45 degree. So the value of angle will be 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree, and it will cut it taperedly. And here the OD diameter, what is the value of OD? The OD value is 50, right? Okay, then we will write at 50.0, and we will give the feet, that is 0.2. okay, after that we will cut this, and the length is 20 mm. okay, then we will do it G1 Z minus 20 mm, 20.0, end of block. After that we will make this kind of profile. Then we will put the value of G1 angle. What is the angle? That is 60 degree. What is the, how will you calculate it? We all know that will be 90 degree plus 30 degree, because this angle 60 degree, this angle 30 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. This angle 90 degree, this angle 60 degree, and this angle is 30 degree. So what is the angle of it? It is 120 degree from here to here. okay, then we will put the angle 120 degree, and the value of x, what is the value of x? That is 60.0, and 60.0, it will cut it angularly of 60 mm diameter, and we will put here in the block. After that we will put G1 Z minus 30. It will linearly turn 30 mm, as there is a drawing mentioned the 30 mm diameter, 30 mm length, sorry. After that, after the cutting of the tool, it will move to the home position. So then we have start the sequence with the N20, and there is a marking of N40. N40 will be the last path. Then what is the value of this? We will simply give the x value, because after cutting it will move from job to outer side, because to decrease the accident in between job and workplace. Then what is the value of x? The value will be simply 80.0, and the cycle will be accomplished here. After that we will call it to the home position. Then the how will we give the home position? The home position will be G0 J 2.0. After that it will move G28 U 0.0 W 0.0. That is a rough operation, rough cutting. Okay, after cutting this, if we want to use a finish circuit to remove the material of point 2, then we will simply write G70 P, whatever we have mentioned there, P20 Q40, and we have to give the feed, that is 0.2 into block. After that the finish cycle will be accomplished. After that it will return to the home position. The tool number, what will you use? You may use tool number 1, also you may use tool number 2, 02. Whatever you will use, it will be depend on you. After that it will finish. Thank you.